It's Lotus! I'm back! Anyway, so today's episode is about the first week, making meals for that first week. I always do that. So basically, what I did for my first week was canned meals. I know it's not entirely ideal with the sodium that comes with canned foods, but I had food for my lunch for the first week. And an alternative to canned food would be sandwiches. And so the thing that I learned the hard way about this lifestyle is it's kind of difficult to find healthier options. I don't recommend doing fast food every day. That will burn a hole in your wallet and that will add an extra latch to your belt. So it's not exactly ideal to do it that way. If you can, just every now and then, but not all the time, going out to eat. And if you're able to find a healthier option, I would suggest a non-perishable, something basically that won't spoil in your car. If you can't do that, you might have to buy fresh food daily. It beats having to clean out a fridge every month, but you're eating something. Another thing that I also researched before starting this lifestyle is looking into an electric cooler. It's not something I necessarily want to do, but you could put an electric cooler in your vehicle, and to spare your car battery, you can get a separate, there's some sort of generator or battery that you can hook up the electric cooler to and put your food in there and then not have to worry about, going to the grocery store every day or every week. That's another option to consider. Apologize I don't have exact names or examples, but that's an idea to get you started. And then I'm going to show you really quick what I did to kind of spice up some of the canned meals that I did. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!